Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to disable swipe up to start search on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the home screen option, then click on it to open the menu. Step 3. In the home screen menu, look for an option that says Swipe Up on the home screen. This is the feature we're looking to disable, so go ahead and tap on it. Step 4. When you tap on it, a new screen will pop up. Here, you'll see that the Swipe Up to start search option is enabled by default. Step 5. To turn it off, simply tap on the None option. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Swipe Up to start search feature on your Android phone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.